Do you hear some rattling noises or weird noises underneath your car? Check your exhaust hanger or anchor. It might be what's broken. Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. Whenever this 2010 Ford Mustang goes over speed bumps, it always feels like it bottoms out. Now we already checked the rear shocks and they're still good. And as it turns out, after further inspection, one of the muffler's anchor or hanger is already broken, and one is also on the way out. Here are the 4 anchors that you can inspect underneath your car. This is the front driver exhaust anchor. This is the front passenger exhaust anchor. We will also be replacing this soon. This is the rear passenger exhaust anchor. This is the rear driver exhaust anchor. This is the one we're replacing. The anchor is held up by 2 13mm bolts. One is over there, as you can see, and one's over here. It is behind the exhaust. Let me see if I can show it to you. There you go. So you need to take out those 2 bolts to replace the anchor. Okay, we're gonna take out this 13mm bolt. It is hard because there's no working space here at the bottom. And silly me, I didn't raise the bar.
Seconds later.
Here's a side-by-side comparison of the 2 anchors, the old anchor and the new anchor. As you can see, the old anchor is completely torn out. Now I don't think I'll be able to record putting the new one in because there's really no space to record under the car.
The next day.
So that is the new exhaust hanger installed. My apologies, I wasn't able to record while I was putting it on. There's really no space to install it. And that is how you replace the rear driver's side exhaust anchor on this 2010 Ford Mustang. This has been another episode of How to Helen. My name's RJeff, and thank you for watching.